Hello everyone, I'm a student of Sociology, Program Faculty of Social, State University of Jakarta. I'm here, I will share about my student life. Enjoy! I wake up in the morning and I open the window, then look at the road and don't forget to give thanks. Thanks God for everything. After waking up, I always took a glass of water. Then I went to the toilet to take a shower and get ready to go to campus. After an hour's journey, I finally arrived at campus and started classes in the morning. After the end of this class, this is my favorite part, was talking, joking, and we laughed happily together. Not only that, my friends and I exercise together. Now it's time for me to go home and rest.